The Special Intensive Revision is an Election Commission of India exercise to verify and update electoral rolls through house-to-house enumeration, pre-filled forms and voter data checks. It aims to maintain accurate rolls by removing deceased, permanently shifted, duplicate and non-citizen entries while ensuring eligible citizens are included. The nationwide SIR was announced on 27 October 2025 by Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, and has been implemented in 10 states and 3 union territories. In Karnataka, it is part of the third phase covering 16 states and 3 union territories. Against this backdrop, the civil society coalition My Vote, My Right is conducting a Bengaluru awareness campaign titled Nimma Mata Ulisikolli Janajagruti Jatha from 17 to 19 June 2026 ahead of SIR beginning in Karnataka on 20th June. The campaign aims to educate citizens on protecting their voting rights and understanding SIR procedures amid concerns about voter exclusion. The campaign began on 17 June at the Ambedkar statue near Mantri Mall and covered Vallubhar Circle, Malleshwaram, Yashwantpur Market and NTTF Circle, Pina. On 18 June, it will be moving through MG Road, Gandhi Statue, Shivajnagar Market, KR Market, Chamrajpet, Padarayanapura, Vijayanagara Market, Guddadahalli, Mysore Road and Jairam Das Junction. On 19 June, it will be covering Jainagar BDA Circle, Jainagar 9th Block Market, Gurupanapalya, Wilson Garden Circle, Vivek Nagar, Tavarakere, Bomanhalli Industrial Area, Hongasandra and concluded at the Ambedkar statue in Tilak Nagar. Around 22 members are participating, distributing pamphlets and engaging the public in markets, bus stops and industrial areas, urging people to verify voter details with booth level officers and check their mapping status between the 2002 and 2025 rules. The coalition claims more than 7 crore names have already been deleted in states where SIR has been implemented and raises concerns over stricter documentation rules, opaque procedures and potential exclusion of vulnerable groups including workers, women, migrants, transgender persons, Dalits, Adivasis and Muslims. It has also raised concerns with Karnataka's Chief Electoral Officer and the state government over lack of awareness outreach. They note that voters not successfully mapping in the 2002 to 2025 linkage exercise initiated in November 2025 may need to submit one of 11 prescribed documents once SIR begins, which could lead to further exclusion. The campaign's objective is to ensure citizens understand the process and contact BLOs and prepare required documents. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.